Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Back with another power hour of cleaning. I wanted to get as much done in 1 hour as I possibly can. This is just kind of a goal that I've set that I do every week. And I just set the timer and I just get to cleaning as much as I can in 1 hour. So we had some family come in this week, so I want to go ahead and clean the guest room, get all the laundry stripped and towels downstairs. And I'm just going to wipe off some of the surfaces in this bathroom, and then I'm going to go downstairs and start some laundry. So as y'all know, I love listening to music while I clean, so I have created a whole cleaning playlist over on Spotify. If you want to check that out, you can just search for Robyn's Southern Nest and it should pop up. You can also go to my Instagram page and I have a link there as well. I also did a Cook With Me playlist, so yeah, be sure to give that a listen. It is such a lovely fall day outside that I want to just get this all done in 1 hour and then go out on the porch and work and just kind of enjoy the day. Our kitchen wasn't too dirty. I just had a few things in the sink and one pan that I needed to clean out. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit the kitchen with the vacuum as well. So Chris is getting ready to come home from a trip. He's been gone for a few days. So I just want to make sure that the house is nice and clean and fresh smelling. So of course I always have a candle burning from Antique Candle Co. I think I have the pumpkin spice going on right now in the kitchen. So definitely give them a check out. I'll have a link in the description as well. And I got asked in one of my videos what those things on the floor are. It's actually just the reflection from my camera from the chandelier. It definitely looks like I have like lights on the floor, but that's what that is. Now off to my bedroom. I just need to fix up the bed a little bit. I'm having issues with my pillows situation, as you'll see in a second. I just need to go ahead and order some new Eurosham like inserts. They're just like way too thin, and I'm like trying to make them work in this video, but I think it's just time for me to go ahead and order probably some down-filled or down alternative inserts for my big pillowcases. So this is the first time that I'm sharing my little vacuum mop by Tyneco. I'm loving it so far. I've probably used it maybe 5 times since I've got it. I'm also going to do a month review. So like after a month of having it, I'm going to give a full review over on my blog. So definitely check that out. But I'm loving it for like our tile flooring, especially in bathrooms, here in the laundry room, and also like in our mudroom area too. I have used it sparingly on our hardwoods because it doesn't put out a lot of solution in water combination. So I'm not as nervous as I was initially. So just kind of maybe test an area first if you have hardwood floors. So that's what I would recommend. Over here in our breakfast area, I just need to wipe down our table. And I use a method cleaner. It's for wood surfaces. And again, I'll list all of my cleaning products in the description of this video. If you're watching on Instagram, it's down below in the description. All of those links are clickable. So if you have any questions about what I'm using, 9 times out of 10, I've listed it right there in that description. Now moving on to our little powder bathroom downstairs, I just want to go ahead and clean off this sink, and then also while I have my vacuum out, or vacuum mop. I don't know what to call it. A mop vacuum, vacuum mop, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum mop this area as well. So the flooring here in the bathroom is a sealed marble, so you can use this mop on that type of surface. I looked it up just to be sure. So yeah, it is safe for sealed marble. Okay, we have about 3 minutes on the spin cycle, but typically, for whatever reason, it's not actually 3 minutes on my washing machine. It's always a few more minutes after that. So it's more like 6 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum our living room or sitting room, and then I'm gonna go ahead and switch over the laundry and call it a day with my power hour cleaning. It's Friday, I wanna just relax, and it's about 4 o'clock right now, so I'm really craving some caffeine right about now. Okay, y'all, that was 1 hour of cleaning. I hope this video helps you out and gets you motivated to clean your own homes, or if you just need to relax and watch a nice video. Either way, thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks for flying by, y'all.